Something that's a little tricky in Photoshop that I noticed is restoring a cropped photo. So here I have my crop tool selected and my photo also selected, and I'm going to just begin cropping. I'm gonna crop out some of the left-hand side of the image like that, then press enter. And now I've got my cropped image. It looks good, but what if I want to get that bird back in the scene? What if I want to change the crop a little bit? Well, if I click back on it with the crop tool and move out my crop a little bit, I can see that the rest of the image is no longer available. It's been deleted. And this may be to save memory for Photoshop. I'm not sure why they made this an automatic setting, but you can turn that off so that you can always restore a cropped image. And I'm going to show you how. So let's just go back to the beginning. And now we have our full image. Before I crop anything, I'm going to go up to the top menu and I'm going to unselect delete cropped pixels. This is automatically turned on for some reason, and I really like it turned off because I like the flexibility of being able to change my crop later on. So now if I crop like this, you can see that remainder of the image is still there. And then if I select it again, it's still there. There it is in gray. So I can now extend my image out a little bit if I want. Enter. Beautiful. Okay, so that's it. Just make sure that your delete cropped pixels is unchecked if you are like me and you want to keep your options open. I know this is the automatic setting in Lightroom, so I'm really used to working like this. And yeah, this was helpful for me. I hope it was helpful for you too. If you enjoyed this video, I have a whole playlist in Photoshop with more like this. And thanks for watching.